Hey, hi everyone, and welcome back again to your own channel that is Java Sleep. So today I have a new topic that someone asked me in one of my comment section that uh, about the declining IT job and how we can come up to or skill up or like how we can survive in this situation. So first of all, if I talk about that, why the IT job is declining or why there is such a sudden change in the market. So there are quite a specific like reasons to it. First of all, that many countries are now planning to not outsource the project. That is, they want to give the project in their own country. They want to basically generate the job, we can say, or give the opportunity to the people of their own country without outsourcing it. And this might you have also seen in many of the videos that people of many countries, example USA, are raising voice uh, about this. And then second again, one more thing is there. Now there is a also trend going on for the remote job. So now the big countries or the big IT hub countries do not need to outsource the project in India to the big companies and ask them that you hire the resource and let's complete the project. Now since it is a remote job or remote fashion, we can say that in trend. So now the company are direct approaching to the freelancers, we can say. And there are many platform regarding freelancing. So that also saves the money of the companies, and freelancers are easy to find, and people are also now preferring to do freelancing for a remote job. That flexibility and many such things are there. So the thing is, how we can survive there, or what we can do. So you also know that one of the most fair reason or one of the most popular reason for declining jobs is also because of automation and AI. So the solution to this is why not we learn, or why not we shift towards the automation and AI. When I say that why don't we shift towards automation or AI, then I don't ask you to leave your current domain. That is, I don't ask you that if you are a tester, so you leave the testing job. If you are in data entry, so you leave the data entry job. If you are a developer, so you leave the development job, and many such things. Now people will say that development still like AI is not doing. Yeah, but to some extent, if we talk about some low code things are still there in the market. Now to when I say that you shift towards AI and automation, so I ask you to scale up yourself along with the domain which is which is your current domain. Like it is development, it is testing, or whatever it is. Like for testing, if you will see, then there are many automation or AI tools nowadays are there that can do testing for you, and in a better manner and in a fast way, we can say. So why not we learn it? So if we learn it, then obviously that there's a high chance of getting a more calls for a job, and salary increase in itself is the case. And if we similarly talk about AI, then in AI also, like several tools are there to learn upon. And for even in development also, like definitely still there is still a large picture, or a large time left that AI will purely start doing coding. Because again, there is a thing that if any AI or LLM model will start doing the coding, then definitely they will store the data in itself somewhere or the other, because again they are learning from your data only. uh, now now that will be the other debate, that we will not store your data, or the data is encrypted or confidential, but we will not go into that. So the better option is that we learn that we learn the AI tool. So whatever we are doing currently, whatever domain we are in, so just we can scale up apart from that. That is, we learn the automation tool and we learn the AI tool, and nothing is to fear about. We still have uh, a lot of time, we can say, to learn upon and scale up ourselves. If we start from today also, then also we have a plenty of time to come up with. I know it's sometimes it's difficult to cope up along with your job, but yeah, again, if we need to survive, then definitely we need to take out some extra time out of our daily jobs or whatever we say. So that's all for this video, and if anything more about this topic you want to know, then you can let me know in the comment section, and we will surely get some information out of that. And thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it, and for notification hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.